Hello and welcome to this Mindfulness in Nature video on behalf of the Stuart Low Trust. My name is Katie. Thank you for joining me today. So today we are actually going to be focusing on wind. And obviously it's very difficult to pick up wind without a really fancy camera setup and audio setup. So we haven't got the sound of the wind, but you can imagine that, and hopefully it will inspire you to notice the sound of the wind the next time you're outdoors. But we have got the sight of the wind and what it does to trees and plants, so we're going to focus on that. And just a few kind of reflections on wind. We often think of it as a bit of a nuisance when it's windy, but actually wind is really important in nature for transporting things like seeds and insects and birds across thousands of miles. And it's also a sustainable way of harnessing energy. So next time you're out in the wind, notice what it sounds like and also what it feels like on your skin and through your hair, if you have any. And yeah, it's just another way of paying attention to your senses and therefore the present moment. So I hope you enjoy the meditation. Get yourself nice and comfortable. Thank you for joining me today. So just bringing your awareness to this shrub. The way the wind is blowing it around. And how it dances in the wind. Noticing the colours, the shades and shadows. The textures. Maybe you can almost hear the breeze. As it blows through the branches. Appreciating the wind, this shrub, this moment. And bringing your awareness to the magnolia tree, also swaying and dancing in the breeze. Noticing the branches, noticing the petals, noticing how it can be stable but flexible at the same time. It moves with the wind. Noticing the color of the sky, the color of the petals, the different shades within those colors. And appreciating that this tree needs sunlight, nourishment and water in order to grow just as we do. And noticing the tree, the way the leaves and the branches sway in the breeze. Maybe in your memory you can hear that breeze. Again, noticing the colours and textures, the leaves and the branches, the trunk of the tree behind. Noticing the shape of the shadows on the tree trunk and how they change and shift connect with the breeze. Notice when your mind wanders, allowing any distractions to fade into the background, bringing your awareness gently back to watching the leaves and the branches dance in the wind, and noticing what you notice from moment to moment. And continuing to breathe with whatever comes and goes from moment to moment.